Hi there, crafty creators. Are you looking to promote your unique designs during Black Friday on social media? You've come to the right place. Today, we're making a striking Black Friday Instagram post using creative Fabrica's studio. Let's start by creating a new design. Set the dimensions to 1080 by 1080 pixels. Perfect for Instagram. Next, set the background to black. And add a repeating Black Friday text pattern with a red border to create a captivating backdrop. Moving on, let's create a stylish border by layering squares on top of each other. This adds depth and interest to your post. Now it's time to add a powerful headline like Black Friday or huge discounts. Make sure to choose a font that's bold and easy to read. For the subtext, select a contrasting font to make it stand out. Finally, let's create a compelling call to action. Use phrases like shop now or buy now to encourage engagement. To make it even more eye-catching, I recommend using shapes to create a button underneath the text. This simple step helps draw attention to your CTA and makes it easy for your audience to take action. And just like that, you have a dynamic and engaging Black Friday post ready to captivate your customers and boost your sales. Happy designing!